Hello everyone, and welcome to our colorful car adventure. Today, we'll be counting from 1 to 10 while exploring different car colors. Let's begin our journey. Number 1, with a red car. Watch as it speeds down the ramp and takes a leap into the pool. Next up, we have number 2, sporting a vibrant green color. Off it goes, ready to make a splash. Moving on to number 3, a car as bright as the clouds in a lovely white shade. And away it goes, diving into the pool with joy. Number 4, a cheerful yellow car is our next contender. See it zoom down and make a big splash. Coming in at number 5, we have a car in a pretty pink hue. It's off to the races, and into the pool it goes. Now say hello to number 6, the sleek black car. Watch it speed down and take a leap. Number 7, in a cool gray shade, is up next. And there it goes, diving into the pool with style. Number 8, a car in a calming blue color is ready to race. See it zoom down and make a big splash. Say hello to number 9 in a bright orange hue. Watch it speed down and take a leap. And finally, number 10 in a rich brown shade. Off it goes, ready to make a splash. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures. See you next time.